Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I encounter throughout the day. If for some reason I complete a task and you would like to see the details, you can click on the link in the description area below. This video also contains tips and tricks that I learned throughout the years. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. Thank you very much for watching. Here we are, folks. Tidy up a couple of loose ends, put this wheel on, drop this car, take it for a test drive, and clean up our mess. We are almost done, but look at the mess. Everything is together. I'm going to clean up some of these tools and fire this thing up. Got a lot of trash and tools up here. Time to fire this puppy up. If the battery's any good, I did not disconnect the fuel line, so it should start right up. I believe they had this thing running to get it in here. Let's see where we're at, folks. Ooh, man, this seat is close. 213. Battery's been connected for an hour. Oh, that fuel pump sounded nasty. There it is, folks. It fired up. Let's see if we got any smoke. I don't see any smoke. That's good. It does feel like it's missing, though. Could be that bad spark plug. Let's let it idle a few minutes to quiet down. Nothing's dripping. That's good. So I'm going to pull it out in the driveway and clean up my mess while I wait for it to quiet down. Ride was pretty smooth. It looks like the temp gauge was removed and put on a little high because it's sitting a little bit on the high side, but the scan gauge said I'm only at 197. So we are cooking right along, running pretty good. I can still hear the lifters a little bit. At the salvage yard to get a door latch off of 850. Running to some older guy, man. You know, when we start getting older, we start losing our abilities to discern stuff. And this guy swears up and down I look like this guy from YouTube. I don't know what was up with him. But he's been watching somebody on YouTube. He said looks and sounds like me. It's something else. I have no idea what is going on here. It says lower level Austin, upper level El Paso. So maybe this is a bridge. Upper level, the Alamo. And it's about to split. Yep, it looks like that's what's about to happen. We are going on the lower level. I didn't get the feel for it. I guess that's the upper level to the right. Weird they called it that. This yield left and yield right. I don't get it. I don't get it. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.